Alright guys, so today I'm going to make a contribution to the Maserati community. There is an issue on getting these headrests off of the Maserati seats. This is a 2005 seat from a Quattroporte, and they're power headrests. They go up and down, but no one really knows how to do it, so I'm going to find out. This car here was involved in a T-bone. Blew the airbag, destroyed the frame, so I don't want to hear anybody bitching about me cutting this thing up. But we got to figure out how this works. So here goes. Hang on. Alright. Okay, we got some internal bracing I got to cut through. Oh, that's a bunch of bracing though. I think it goes all the way across. That's going to be hard for me to cut through. Hang on. Let me just get some pliers. And I'm going to bend some of this metal out of the way to have a better look at it. There's that bracing I need to cut there, but it goes all the way down here, so it's going to be hard to reach. It looks like there might be something up here. Thing is we're going to be mangling these. We need to be able to save these. Okay. So what we got right now is these headrest support here go underneath this. This is the mechanism for raising and lowering the headrest. Right now I've got it pulled all the way down. But we need to be able to figure out a way to pop this thing here out. It looks like it's just a tight fit here, so I'm thinking we can just put a little pressure in here and just pop this over.
I think you need to go from right there.
No. This is going to be stuck to the metal part here pretty tightly, and this is just a little bit of pressure here in this groove. So like I said, it was talked about before that you just pull real hard on the headrest and they might pop up. That might be the case. Just a matter of pulling hard enough to make it happen. I know on those side interior panels in the back seat, oh man, those things are on there tight. It takes about 150 pounds of force to pull those things loose. It may just take a bit of force to pop these out too. So let me put this thing up again and we'll pull on it and see if they pop loose. That may be all it takes. There we go. Woo! Look at that. So I said I couldn't do that before when I had the headrest raised up. So I actually lowered the headrest down, and maybe that gave me more play or something in the mechanism. But that allowed this thing to pop right off. So that's the trick, guys. So lower your headrest and then just pull. That easy.